Hi guys and welcome back. Today is day 2 of my Birmingham NEC Motorhome and Caravan show vlog. So we woke up nice and early this morning at about between 6:30 and 6:45. Just finishing off now, showers and sort of getting ready. Then it's going to be time to jump down to breakfast for about 7:30, have breakfast and be gone by 8. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Right guys, so it's now 8:20. Teeth brushing has just been had and we've just had breakfast next door at the Brewers Fair. Yeah, it was okay. It was pretty mediocre, but that doesn't matter anyway. We are all now filled up with bacon, eggs, sausages, croissants, the rest. And yeah, bags just being finished packed, and then we're going to get on the road. See you at the NEC. Hi guys, and we've just arrived at the NEC. We're in the North car park, so going to get the bags on. Morning everyone! Yeah, so we've driven down to the NEC and now we're going to go in the halls, get our press passes and get in half an hour early before everyone else. Right, going to walk down to the NEC, aren't we?
Yep, see you later.
Alright, bye. We're now stood by Berksna here, and the next job is to start looking around the stalls. We've just met the indie projects.
They're nice people, actually.
Lovely,
really
lovely
nice
people. We are in the Berksna Argo something, and it's very, very nice. Going to take you a quick walk around of the exquisity, so they say, of it. So this is it. You could just see the craftsmanship with the lovely marble effect, glossy worktops. The leather is pretty lovely. It's just beautiful. Really, really nice. You know, you've got things like drinks cabinets and Berksna switches and all these lovely things like that. Massive fridges and lovely bathrooms with beautiful taps and lovely basins. It's got a concertina door around it and beautiful shower rooms and lovely beds. This one's got a step up to it. How much is this one?
£101,000.
£101,000.
I'll have 2.
Yeah, I think so. This is pretty lovely. So guys, we're in the NEC. It's now officially open to the public. We've had our little press time. Yep, I'm sat inside a Trigano Silver 310 TDL. Totally different style of caravan that you've ever seen on my channel because it's a pop-up type. So let's have a look around and see what we think of it. In 2017 though, it won the Pop Tops with Washroom winner in the Caravan Club Lightweight Leisure Trailer Awards in 2017. So let's have a look round. So walking inside, the door's a bit low, but once you get in here it's massive. So if we step back, we got this rather large sort of kitchen with a little fridge with a small freezer compartment, but plenty ample for this size of caravan. Lovely little cupboards there on the little catches. 3 burner hob, which is very unusual, usually it's only a 2. And we've got a sink with a flip up thing. Cupboards and drawers there, and a 230 volt plug. We've got a washroom. If we open this door, we've got a Thetford loo, cupboards, a nice metal sink, lovely mirror, and a small ventilation area. So this one's actually got the pop top roof, obviously fully insulated with obviously blinds to keep the sun out. So the whole thing pulls down, and then this comes out and folds down to this height. We've got more cupboards around the sides, and then we've got the sleeping and eating area. So you've got a small dinette and a long area there to sleep, with a side unit there with some more storage. All along the top has got LEDs, and we've got some lovely downlighters. Right, lunch has been had. Went outside because it's a bit stuffy in here. Got some fresh air. Now it's back in at Hall 12 to have a look at some accessories and awnings. Oh, and camper vans too. Right, let's go in and see what we can find.
Your cleaners.
We're at the Colapz stand.
Compartment in the top.
We're looking at the new
your pump and things like that.
product, which is for service pictures. The collapsible pipes.
Just ticking a lot of
Here.
boxes, so it's just got a. There's a lot.
The new sort of Aquaron system where you can pop your pump in there for service pictures. The laundry bag as usual. The shower and the
February or maybe
3-in-1
October
bucket.
next year. Maybe October.
Right guys, we've made it back to the car. Everyone's legs and back are hurting.
Oh yes.
We've done a lot of walking today. Beautiful evening it is too. Our hotel's got about 2 minutes walk, not walk drive, because it's actually in the NEC complex. Then we'll catch you when we've checked in and arrived at the Hilton Metropole Birmingham Hotel. See you in a minute. Right guys, it's 8:25 now, and we're just finishing off watching Strictly, and it's time for some dinner, because after our long day at the NEC, we need something to fill our stomachs with. So going to be dinner time in the restaurant downstairs, walk down from the 4th floor, which is what we're on, and yeah, we'll see you there. Right guys, so it's now 11 o'clock. We've just arrived back at our room after our less than impressive meal. Had to wait an hour and a half to be, once we got seated, to being served and eating our food. So we didn't eat till about 10 o'clock, and our table was booked at 8:30, so it was not good. Anyway, food's been had now. It's time for bed. Very tired. Slight bit more of a lie-in tomorrow. So we're having breakfast about 8, and we'll see you in the morning. Night-night. Bye. Right, I'm inside the Berksner Argos. Berksner. I've been corrected twice. Been corrected twice now.